This is a transmission sent to test the BBC's transmission capabilities. The all clear has been sent. The emergency is over. Please stand by while we check our connection is secure. This aftermath information will be on radio and television. Essential services, such as gas, water, electricity, and heating are back online. Wi-Fi connections will be restored within the coming hours. You can now leave your inner refuge and fallout room. It is safe. You should clear up your area and check for fallout dust and broken glass. Move your clothes and change or clean them, as fallout may have contaminated them. Fallout may be on the ground outside. Do not mistake this for snow. This may still be dangerous. If your home was in the blast radius, police and military personnel will lead you to temporary housing camps. Casualties are expected to be around 12 million people. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates, as more strikes may soon arrive.